If you want to know how to install apps over the browser, stay tuned, we'll show you how it works. You want to install an app, but you can't find it in the Play Store. That's not a problem, because today we'll show you how you can install an app over the browser. Let's say we're looking for the app called Flix IPTV and we want to download it. As you can see, there are no search results here, i.e. the app is not available in the Play Store. The TV doesn't find them, but I really want to have them. There is a solution for this, and this solution is a browser called TV Pro. For this we go to the Google Play Store and download it. As I said, it's called TV Pro, and we have to download and install it. This is what it looks like. We click on it, and when we click on it, we just have to click on install and we can download it. The installation is finished. We can now open the browser and look at the interface. First we have to start with a new engine, and when we have done that, our interface looks like this. This means that we have a super fast browser where we can download everything, i.e. the APK file, the file extension of the app that we want to install here. We have different search engines here from Amazon, Facebook, Google, Wikipedia. Everything is here at first glance or on the homepage, so you don't have to search for a long time. Now I enter the whole thing again and write the same as before, Flix, and of course the file extension, the APK. So I write Flix IPTV here and write APK here again, because that is the file extension for Android, so that we can download the whole thing. We go to search here and can then choose any page here. But of course we have to accept everything here at Google first so that the whole thing works. You already know all of this, so just scroll down, accept or reject. I will reject everything, and if you have clicked on it, then you take any website you want. I'll click on the first one and click here on download, and then I can continue here. So click here on download, then I have to scroll down again to the point where download is. As I said, the page doesn't matter where you can download it. The great thing is that you can install the whole thing via the browser. So again here on download. Here the download is already running, and here, if we click on this arrow up here, you can see that the download is already running here. The whole thing is already downloaded here, and I can then install the whole thing. So, everything is done. It is already downloaded here, and now I say I want to install the whole thing. Of course, I have to allow the browser for the first time, i.e. install from unknown apps. I have to allow the whole thing here. And now I can install the whole thing here. The app that was not found in the Google Play Store before. You have questions about this tutorial? Then let us know and write it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.